Hello students, let's begin with this question. So here the volume of NaOH is given, which is equal to 250 ml. Then the mass of NaOH is given, which is equals to 1 gram. Here we have to find out firstly the molarity of NaOH. So the formula used to find out the molarity is equals to the number of moles of solute that is dissolved in the per liter of the given solution. So here firstly we have to find out the moles. So moles of the NaOH is equals to the given mass of the NaOH divided by the molar mass of NaOH. So now substituting the values over here, this is equals to mass is 1 gram and molar mass is 39.997 gram per mole. So here these moles are 0.0250 moles. So now from here we can find out the molarity here. So here the molarity of NaOH, this is equals to number of moles. This means 0.0250 moles divided by here the volume is 250 ml. This will be divided by 1000 to convert this into liter. So here we get the molarity of NaOH. So this molarity value comes to be 0.1 molar. Then after that here the volume of the benzoic acid is given, which is equals to 20.00 ml. So here let's write down the equation firstly. So C6H5COOH, this is benzoic acid. This will react with NaOH and this will form C6H5CO negative Na positive plus water. So here 1 mole of NaOH, this will react with the 1 mole of the benzoic acid. So from here the moles of the benzoic acid is equals to molarity, that is 0.1 molar, or this can be written as moles per liter multiplied by here volume is 20 ml. So this will be divided by 1000 to convert this into liter. So here these moles comes to be 0.002 moles. Now we have the moles. From this moles we can find out the mass. So here the mass of the benzoic acid is, this is equals to the moles multiplied by its molar mass. So now substituting the values over here, this is equals to 0.002 moles multiplied by 122.12 gram per mole. So when we solve this, we get here this mass. So the mass of the benzoic acid is equals to 0.244 gram. Now next part here, in the titration, in this titration the coarse titration volume, is the initial rough estimate of the volume that is required to reach the end point, while whereas the fine titration volumes has the more precise has the more precise measurements. The the coarse titration, this will usually has the higher than the fine titration volume. This is because this will have the rough estimate and this will may overshoot the endpoint. So here the the fine titrations should be fine titration volumes should be more consistent and closer to the actual volume that is required to reach the endpoint. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.